Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in the last videos I shared about the cheapest honey and cheapest soaps available. In this video I am going to unbox the cheapest fast charging cable, and it is 2-in-1 cable. So let's start. I ordered this from Flipkart for 150 rupees and it was on offer. So it is from the brand Syska. It's a turbocharge, it's a fast charging cable made in India, and it is 3.1 fast charging cable, braided cable, 1.5 meters, and it has type C as well as micro USB ports. So it is a 2-in-1 charging cable from Syska. So let's open it. So it's a braided cable, it's a 1.5 meter cable. It has both type C and type micro USB cable, and the build quality is awesome guys, really. So one fun for 150 rupees, if you get this cable, just go and blindly order it from Flipkart or Amazon also, wherever you find it. I highly recommend this product. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.